What do we really learn from Tom and Jerry? At first glance, it seems like a simple cartoon of slapstick comedy and endless chases. But beneath the laughter and the chaos lies a surprisingly deep reflection on human nature. These two eternal rivals may just be teaching us more about ourselves than we realize. First, there's persistence and resilience. No matter how many times Tom fails to catch Jerry, he never gives up. Whether through elaborate schemes or sheer stubbornness, Tom's relentless pursuit mirrors the human spirit, the determination to keep moving forward despite setbacks and failures. Next comes creativity and ingenuity. Both Tom and Jerry constantly invent new tricks to outwit the other. This playful battle reminds us that creativity often blossoms from challenges and competition. Their endless chase also reflects the reality of conflict and rivalry. Life is full of competition, jealousy, and misunderstandings. Yet as Tom and Jerry shows us, conflict need not be destructive. It can be playful, even essential to relationships. A little friendly rivalry can push us to be better, more creative, more alive. Another lesson is adaptability. Whether escaping a trap or setting one, Tom and Jerry adjust quickly to shifting circumstances. It's a reminder of our own ability to adapt, to survive and to thrive amid change and uncertainty. But perhaps most profound is the duality of their nature. Despite their rivalry, Tom and Jerry sometimes display moments of cooperation, even care. It speaks to the complexity of relationships. Foes can be friends. People are rarely just one thing or another. We all have the capacity for both good and bad, cooperation and conflict. Amid it all, Tom and Jerry invites us to find humor in struggle. They remind us of our need to laugh at misfortune and failure. Finding lightness even in life's repetitive challenges can help us endure and even thrive. Finally, the story of a small mouse outsmarting a larger cat shows us resourcefulness in the face of limitation. It teaches that success isn't always about size or power, but often about intelligence and wit. In essence, Tom and Jerry is more than just a cartoon. It's a playful mirror reflecting persistence, creativity, conflict, adaptability, and the complexities of human nature, all wrapped in humor and chaos. So next time you find yourself caught in the antics of this legendary duo, take a moment to appreciate the deeper lessons they offer about ourselves and the world we inhabit.